Well, hello everyone. This is going to be the last update on our Rivian R1S repair experience. Today is May 2nd, and we were advised that the vehicle is ready for pickup. So fairly quick turnaround time, much better than what the 3 months that we anticipated. We dropped the vehicle off on March 26th, and it's ready here on May 2nd. So I'm getting ready to head down there. I've got to put some gas in this gas Mitsubishi Outlander thing that we've been driving. But again, we're thankful to Rivian that we have something to drive. So as you can see, we're back here in my wife's Rivian R1S. And we did get it back from National Auto Body. It was kind of quick, actually. I actually reached out to them for a status update, and they said, it's going to be ready for pickup tomorrow. So here we are. I just picked it up today. In fact, I just picked it up a little over an hour ago. I have the bill here, and we'll take a look at the repair. If you haven't seen my previous videos, go back and take a look at those first to figure out how we got to this point. That'll really give you a full picture of what all has happened. We did take the vehicle in on March 26th, and today is May 2nd, and we're getting it back. So not the 3 months the body shop told us to expect, which we're really, really happy about. Rivian did provide a loaner. I did not keep the Lucid. My wife was driving it. It sat too low to the ground. We turned that in a couple days after picking it up. We had a Bolt EV for a little while, and my wife did have some issues with her knee. So we did swap it out again because she wanted something that sat higher. So we got the Mitsubishi Outlander, gas-powered, unfortunately, from Enterprise, and had that for a few days before we picked this up. So this is the National Auto Body bill. I'm just going to go over. I will list out down in the video description all of the items that were repaired or replaced, but I will tell you the final bill to our insurance was $6,984.44. They replaced the front bumper and grille, and they had to paint and blend on the right-hand side there. Obviously, they replaced the passenger side front door. I haven't really looked at this, so the first time I'm looking at this thoroughly is with you guys here. And looks like they blended the rear door. They had to do vehicle diagnostics, so they had to calibrate the surround view cameras. They restored corrosion protection, mask jams, whatever that is, I have no idea. They sprayed out, they wet sanded and buffed, they primed and blocked. And they did do an alignment, suspension alignment. Looks like they sublet that for $89.95. That's a pretty good price for an alignment. It's not perfect. The alignment is not perfect, but it's not horrible either. So that's pretty much the bill. Almost just under $7,000 for this little deer mishap. It took exactly 1 month and 7 days from the time we dropped it off for them to complete the repair. So without further ado, let's go out and take a look at it. So here we are. This is the side that was damaged. And if you recall what it looked like before, this is what it looks like now. So there's no longer a bow in there. I do wish they could have gotten a little bit better of a job with that cladding there. It looks like there is a gap. Not sure if you can see that on camera. There's also kind of a gap up here and a gap there. Not really too excited about that. And then there's also a gap here where this was not reattached all the way. But nonetheless, it is repaired. The paintwork looks very good. But yeah, that's pretty much the repair, folks. Not a whole lot to say about it. They did get it done in 1 month and 7 days exactly. And I don't know, we may trade this in. I'm not really sure what the wife is going to do. Rivian has some very generous offers right now on the Gen 2 Dual Max Performance. But anyway, if you're thinking about picking up a Rivian, use our referral code. It'll be down in the video description, and I'll probably put it up on the screen as well. It helps support our channel so we can continue to make content that's both informative and shows you what it's like to live and adventure with electric vehicles every day. So what do you guys think about the whole situation? Again, we're really thankful that Rivian did provide the loaner, and we're also thankful that they were able to expedite getting that door out to the body shop so that we could get the vehicle back as quickly as possible. But we want to know what you think. Go ahead and let us know down in the comments section. And also let us know if you've had any body repairs and what your experience has been. Remember to like, it helps others find our content just a little bit easier on YouTube. Click on subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified anytime we add new content. Hug the people you love every chance you get. We'll see you next time.